Namaste children. In this measurement lesson we are going to mark. While we are marking, we can recall what we have learnt, children. Okay. Measurement is the base of all scientific studies and experimentation. Measurement is the base, and it is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity. If we does not know the physical quantity by using a standard quantity, this which with using of standard quantity we can find out the unknown physical quantity. Okay ma. What are the unit systems? If you are measuring your science book, okay, while you are measuring, you will get 30 centimeter. The length will be 30 centimeter. Here we don't know the length, no children. Okay, so the unknown physical quantity can be measured using the known quantity. Okay, standard quantity. This is the standard quantity, children, centimeter. Okay, and 30 is the magnitude, which is the number is called magnitude, and centimeter is the standard quantity, centimeter. Okay, it is the unit also, SI unit, system of international unit. Okay, of length, children. Right. People in various parts of the world are using different system of units for measurement. Okay, children. So people in various parts of the world, children, they will use different system of units. For example, children, earlier FPS system was there. What is F? F is a foot for length, children, for measuring length, and P is pound. Pound is for mass, to find mass, and S is second for time. Okay ma. And then later in some places people were used FPS system. In some place in world people were used CGS system. What is CGS? C means centimeter for length, G is gram for mass, S is a second for time. Okay, right. The next one is MKS system. What is MKS system? M is meter, K is kilogram, S is second. And this MKS system only we are using as SI system of unit. Okay ma. So CGS, MKS and SI unit, these three are metric system of units, children. Okay, they are called metric systems of units. And FPS, you can see here, F is foot, P is pound, and S is second. No, this is not a metric system. Okay, it is a British system of unit. The FPS system is a British system of unit. Okay, and international system of unit, which is SI unit. Okay, in 1960, in the 11th General Conference on Weights and Measures at Paris in France, scientists recognized the need of using standard units for physical quantities. That was called the International System of Units and is popularly known as SI system. Children, all this all over the world, children, okay, so they were accepted the unit which is called International System of Unit. Okay, and here you can see, children, there are 7 base quantities and units. Okay, so these units are a system of international units. Okay, all the countries were accepted this unit. Okay, so length, mass, time, LMT, children, LMT. Okay, again one more T, which is temperature, and current, and then amount of substance, and then luminous intensity. Okay, length, mass, time, temperature, current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. So length is meter. Okay, we have seen, no children, MKS system. Okay, MKS system. So meter, kilogram and second for LMT. And for temperature, children, Kelvin is the SI unit. Okay, here Kelvin is a scientist name, children. So while we are writing the scientist's name, we should write with small letters. Okay, and the symbol should be in capital letter. The ampere, the unit of current is ampere. Ampere, who is the scientist. While we are writing the name of the ampere, we have to write it small letter, and the symbol we have to give it as capital. Okay, amount of substance is mole, children, and luminous intensity. which gives luminous means it produce light. Okay, so the intensity means power of the light, so which is the unit is candela cd. Okay, children, the important information, what is this? In December, children, in 1998, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, in USA, children, United States of America, launched the Mars Climate Orbiter to collect data about Martian climate. ஓகே, ஸோ கிளைமேட்டை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு ஆர்பிட்டரை மார்ஸுக்கு அனுப்புகிறாங்க. ஓகேம்மா, மார்ஸ் அப்படின்ற ஒரு பிளானட்டுக்கு அனுப்புகிறாங்க. ஸோ அங்கே என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா 9 months லேட்டர் ஆன் September 23, 1999 த ஆர்பிட்டர் டிஸ்அப்பியர்டு. த ஆர்பிட்டர், இவங்க அனுப்பின ஆர்பிட்டர் என்னாச்சு அப்படின்னா டிஸ்அப்பியர்டு, காணாமலேயே போயிடுச்சு. While approaching Mars at an unexpectedly low altitude, an investigation revealed that orbital calculations were incorrect. எதனால் இந்த மாதிரி நடந்தது அப்படின்னா calculation வந்து incorrect அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. ஓகே, டியூ டு an error in the transfer of information between the spacecraft team in Colorado. யாருக்கும் எந்த calculation வந்து ராங்காக போச்சு அப்படின்னா சில்ட்ரன், கொலராடோவில் இருக்கிற மிஷன் நேவிகேஷன் டீம், ஓகே, மிஷனை வந்து அனுப்பின டீமுக்கும் ஸ்பேஸ் கிராஃப்ட் டீம், சாரி சில்ட்ரன், கொலராடோவில் ஸ்பேஸ் கிராஃப்ட் டீமுக்கும் அண்ட் தென் கலிஃபோர்னியாவில் மிஷனை நேவிகேட் பண்ண டீமுக்கும் 2 பேருக்குமே வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான யூனிட் சிஸ்டம்மை வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இதனால தான் எரர் நடந்தது. ஸோ they were used FPS system of units for calculation, children, and one of them are the next one team used MKS system of units. Okay, so they got error, children, and this misunderstanding caused a loss of $125 million. Loss of $125 million. இது நடந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் ஆல் த கண்ட்ரீஸ் ஹவ் அக்செப்டட் த சேம் யூனிட். ஓகேம்மா, MKS யூனிட் ஆல் ஓவர் த வேர்ல்டு. The world has accepted to use the system of international unit. Okay, children. The next one is temperature. Temperature is nothing but the hotness or coldness. Okay. It is a physical quantity, children. It expresses degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Okay, temperature is defined as a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. Temperature means it is the average kinetic energy. Okay ma. Heat means total kinetic energy. Temperature means average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The SI unit is Kelvin. Now only we have seen, and thermometers are used to measure the temperature. If we want to know the temperature, children, we can use thermometer. Okay, nowadays we are oftenly using this now. Usually thermometers are calibrated with some standard scales, children. There will be 3 thermometers. One is a Celsius, and the other one is a Fahrenheit, and the next one is Kelvin. This among the 3, children, Kelvin will be the SI unit of temperature. Okay, and then electric current. The electric current means the amount of electric charge flowing through a conductor in 1 second. Children, string is there means this is a metal which is a conductor. Okay, so the electric charge is flowing. Okay, so positive terminal to negative term, so which is called in 1 second, children, in 1 second is called electric current, which is amount of electric charge divided by time. So I, this is the symbol, children. Symbol for current is I is equal to Q is for electric charge. Okay, and then time is T. So it is measured in coulomb, children. So unit is coulomb. Okay, the electric charge is measured in coulomb. So children, for current, we know the unit will be ampere. Okay, 1 ampere is equal to the unit of charge is coulomb, and divided by for time is 1 second. Okay, so if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. Okay, 1 coulomb charge 1 second pass ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா through the conductor, அப்போ நமக்கு current என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம், 1 ampere அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay ma. And ammeter is the device, children, to measure electric current. This is the ammeter. If you want to measure the current, we can use this ammeter. Okay, and then children, the problem you have to write. Okay, copy this. And then amount of substance, it is a measure of the number of entities. Entities means particles which we cannot see through our naked eye, present in a substance. That is called amount of substance. Okay, for example, atom, molecule, ion, electron or proton, these are all the entities or particles. Okay, and generally the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules, children. Okay, right. So mole is defined as the amount of substance. Here children, we can count the copper coins. Here there are 4 coins. Okay, but we cannot count how many number of entities present in this copper coin. Okay, so for that, the number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole. So children, if we want to measure the number of atoms or molecules present in the substance, we can use mole, children. Okay, and the SI unit is this is the mole. Mole is the SI unit. Okay, and what is mole? It is defined as the amount of substance which contains this much entities. Okay, 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities in that substance. It is denoted as mole, children, and this number is called as Avogadro number. Avogadro number. And then luminous intensity, I told children, luminous means the light. Okay, the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. Okay, the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela, children, CD. Okay, and this is the device, children, we can use, which is called photometer. Okay, photometer, it is measured by photometer. And luminous flux or luminous power, this is the measure of the perceived power of light. Its SI unit is lumen. This is also important. Okay, and the next one, we are moving to plane angle. What is plane angle? If the angle made of the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two plane. Okay children, intersection of two straight line like this. So this angle is called plane angle. Okay, the SI unit of angle plane angle is radian, and it is denoted as RAD. Okay, and pi radian is equal to 180 degree, children. Okay, pi radian, and 1 radian will be 180 degree divided by pi. These are the problems, children. Convert 60 degree into radian means, children, 60 degree radian convert panano. We know that 1 degree is equal to what? Pi divided by 180. Okay, 180 degree is equal to pi radian means 1 degree will be divided by 180 degree. Okay, pi by 180. So 60 degree will be into 60 now, children. So 60 to 180, it will cancel 3 times. Okay, 6 3s are 18 now, and 1010 will be cancelled. Finally, we will get pi by 3 radian. And pi by 4 into degree, children. Okay, so radian pi by 4 is given. We have to change this into degree. We know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree means pi by 4 means divided by 4. Okay, if we divide by 4, we will get 45 degree. And solid angle, 3 or more planes intersecting at a common point, that is called solid angle. The SI unit of solid angle is steradian. It is denoted as SR. Okay, and children, until 1995, children, plane angle and solid angle were classified under supplementary quantities, which is supplementary quantities means base quantities or fundamental quantities. Then in 1995 they were shifted to derived quantities. Now only 7 basic quantities are there, children. Base quantities are there, and this plane angle and solid angle comes under derived quantities. Okay, the difference between the definition, children, and the unit, children, and it is 2-dimensional, it will be 3-dimensional. You can see here the solid angle will be 3-dimensional, the plane angle will be 2-dimensional. Okay, next one is clock, children. Clock, the types of clock based on display. Based on display, we can classify as analog and digital. Analog means, children, 3 hands to show the time. There will be 3 hands, which is hour hand, minute hand, and seconds hand. Okay, The hour hand is short and thick, children. Minute hand is long and thin, and second hand is long and very thin. Okay, right. So and the second hand, children, it makes one rotation in 1 minute, okay, and 60 rotations in 1 hour. So we can see, children, one full rotation means it is called 1 minute, right? 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. So it takes 60 rotations in 1 hour, because in 60 rotations in 1 hour there will be 60 minutes, no? Right. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. Okay, right. This is the analog clock, children. And the next one is digital clock. Digital clock is it shows the time directly, displays the time directly, and numerals or other symbols, children. So numeral, okay, 12 hours or 24 hours display. So this is the numeral, children, number, okay, 21, 10, like that. Recent clocks are showing date, day, month, year, temperature, everything. The digital clocks are oftenly called electronic clocks. Digital clocks, the other name of digital clock is electronic clock. Okay, right. The next one is based on the working mechanism, children. It classify into two. One is quartz and the atomic clock. What is quartz clock? Yeah, actually these clocks are activated by electronic oscillations, which are controlled by a quartz crystal. Okay, oscillations, children. Electronic oscillation will takes place. It is controlled by a quartz clock. The frequency of the quartz clock is more accurate, children, than mechanical clock. Mechanical clock விட இந்த quartz clock வந்து too accurate இருக்கும். These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. Okay, what is the accuracy அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. And atomic clock, children, it use of periodic vibrations occurring within the atom. Okay, these clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. These are used in GPS, which is Global Positioning System, and Global Navigation Satellite System. Okay, so in this two system we can use the atomic clock and international time distribution services. Okay, the next one is Greenwich Median Time. What is Greenwich Median Time? GMT, children. The earth is divided into 24 zones, children, each of a width of 15 degree longitude. Okay, so in longitude and altitude, children, so this will be longitude, children, there will be 24 zones. It will divided into 24 zones. Okay, our earth, and each of a width of 15 degree. In 24 zones, children, the width will be, okay, this will be 15 degree, children. Okay, and these regions are called as time zones, and time difference between two adjacent time zones is 1 hour. The location of, okay, two adjacent time zone will be in 1 hour, children. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 15 degree. Am I right? So 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. Two adjacent time zone is 1 hour. The location of Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the reference longitude of Indian Standard Time. Okay, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It is located at 82.5 degree longitude, children. Okay, so 1 degree, 15 degrees equal to 1 hour means 82.5 degree will get 5.30 hours. Okay, 5 hours 30 minutes. 5:30 hours. So the Indian Standard Time will be calculated as GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, plus 5:30 hours. Why we got 5:30 hours? Because it is located at 82.5 degree longitude, children. 1 hour will be 15 degree means 82.5 degree will be 82.5 degree will be 5:30 hours. 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, accuracy in measurements. Accuracy, children, what is accuracy? Here we can see error is defined as the difference between the real value and the observed value. Okay, what is error, children? The value of every measurements contain some uncertainty. If we get uncertainty, the uncertainties are called as error. Okay, and accuracy, what is accuracy? Accuracy is the closeness of a measured value to the actual value. Closeness to the actual value. Okay, Precision means it is the closeness of two or more measurements. ரெண்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் இருக்கிற closeness, that is the precision to each other. And while making measurements, accuracy is always desired. எது வந்து கரெக்டாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா accuracy தான் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். Okay, the measured value should be close to the true value. Is approximation. What is approximation and how we can round off the approximate value? Okay, it is an estimation of a number obtained by rounding off a number of its nearest place value. Okay children, it is an estimation. Approximation means estimate பண்ணி கொடுக்குற value. Okay, rounding off பண்ணி கொடுக்குறோம். How we have to round off the value? Decide which is the last digit to keep. Okay, first decide the last digit. Okay, if this is the last digit, you just decide this number. Okay, leave it the same if the next digit is less than 5. ஓகே, ஸோ லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டை பாருங்கள். லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டுக்கும் முன்னாடி இருக்கிற டிஜிட் வந்து ஓகேம்மா லெஸ் தென் 5ஆக இருக்கா அப்படின்னு பாருங்கள். நோ, இங்கே லெஸ் தென் 5 இல்லை. இஃப் இட் இஸ் லெஸ் தென் 5 அப்படின்னா அது அப்படியே விட்டுருங்க. ஓகே, அண்ட் இஃப் இட் இஸ் increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or greater than 1. பாருங்க, இது வந்து ஒரு digit வந்து greater than 5 இருந்தது அப்படின்னா okay, increase it by 1. Okay, we'll get children. Decide which is the last digit to keep. Okay, first we need to round off the number to 2 decimal places. Last digit to be kept is 6. ஓகே, இப்போது லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் 4ஆக நம்ம எடுக்கலை, 6ஆக எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஓகே, பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் 2 டிஜிட்டை மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். அதில் லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் நான் வந்து 6 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ ஹவ் டேக்கன் 4 சில்ட்ரன். நவ் ஐ வில் டேக் 6. சின்ஸ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட் இஸ் லெஸ் தென் 5. ஓகே, லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டை வந்து டிசைட் பண்ணிடுங்க 6. 6க்கும் நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட் பாருங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட் என்னம்மா 4, விச் இஸ் லெஸ் தென் 5. ரைட், லெஸ் தென் 5 அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா ஓகே, த லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் டு பி கெப்ட் இஸ் 6. சின்ஸ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட் இஸ் லெஸ் தென் 5, we can retain 6 as it is. ஓகே, if it is less than 5 means இது அப்படியே கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு மீதி இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுதலாம் 1.86. So the answer is 1.86. Okay, if the number is greater than 5 means we have to add by 1. Okay, so let us see. Let's take this one children, 1.868. Okay, I have to decide the last digit which is 6. Okay, which is 6, and the next digit children 8, which is less than 5 or greater than 5. It is greater than 5, no? So if it is greater than 5, I have to add 1 from here. Okay, so 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the round off value will be 1.87. Clear children? The next, that's all we have completed the textbook exercises. Okay, evaluation part. Which one of the following system of unit children in British system of unit? Yes, FP, yes. Electric current is a base quantity. Current is a base quantity. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Luminous intensity is the intensity of visible light. Okay. And closeness of 2 or more measured values is precision. The following statement is wrong children. Which one? Approximation gives accurate value? No. This is wrong. Approximation means approximate value only. It is not an accurate value. Okay, and fill in the blank. The solid angle is measured in steradian. Okay children, solid angle is measured in steradian. The closeness or hotness of a substance is expressed by hotness or coldness children. The coldness or hotness, coldness, it is called temperature. Okay, temperature. And dash is used to measure electric current. If you want to measure electric current, yes, ammeter. Ammeter will use to measure electric current. 1 mole of a substance contains dash atoms or molecules. Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, the uncertainty in measurement. Uncertainty means it is an error. The closeness of the measured value to the original value is accuracy. Okay, the intersection of two straight line gives us plane angle. Plane angle. Okay. Children, state true or false. Temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy? No, it is false. It is average kinetic energy. For 1 coulomb of charges flowing in 1 minute? No, children, it is 1 second. It is called ampere. Okay. Amount of substance gives the number of particles present in a substance. Yes, it is true. Intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Yes, this is also correct. Quartz clocks are used in GPS devices? No, atomic clocks only used in GPS devices. Okay. And angle formed at the top of the cone is an example for plane angle? No, it is a solid angle. Okay, the number 4.582 children can be rounded off as 4.582. How can be rounded, children? Decide the last digit as 8, children. Okay, take the next digit. If it is less than 5 means you just omit this number and write the remaining number as it is. Okay, so how we can write 4.58? Yes, 4.58 means it is true. Children, temperature, it is coldness or hotness. Measure of hotness or coldness. Plane angle means intersection of two planes. Okay, solid angle means yes, intersection of 3 or more planes. Accuracy means what? Closeness to the actual value. Precision means closeness to the 2 or more measurements. Okay, and assertion, reason, children. The SI system of units is the suitable system for measurements. Yes. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Yes. Both are correct only, children, but the children, both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation? No, the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, and assertion, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental physical quantities? Yes. They are independent of each other? Yes. Both are true and correct explanation. Both are true and correct explanation. Okay, children, so A. And children, radian is the unit of solid angle? No, assertion is wrong, children. It is false. Radian is the unit of plane